How to insert shapes in Microsoft Excel. To insert shapes in Microsoft Excel, follow these steps. Open your Excel workbook. Launch Microsoft Excel and open the workbook where you want to insert shapes. Select a worksheet. Click on the worksheet where you want to insert the shape. Insert shape. Go to the Insert tab in the Excel ribbon. In the Illustrations group, click on the Shapes button. This will display a drop-down menu with various shape options. Choose a shape. From the drop-down menu, select the type of shape you want to insert, example, rectangle, circle, arrow, etc. Draw the shape. After selecting the shape, your cursor will change to a crosshair. Click and drag on the worksheet to draw the shape. Holding down the Shift key while dragging can help maintain proportions for certain shapes, example, squares, circles. Resize and format the shape. Once the shape is drawn, you can click and drag its edges or corners to resize it. To format the shape, you can use the Shape Format tab in the ribbon. Here, you can change the fill color, border color, add effects, and more. Add text to the shape. Double-click inside the shape to add text. You can format the text using the Text Box Tools Format tab that appears when you're editing the text. Move the shape. Click on the shape to select it, then click and drag to move it to a different location on the worksheet. Adjust layering. If you have multiple shapes, you can change their layering order by right-clicking on a shape and selecting Bring to Front, Send to Back, or other options. Rotate the shape. Select the shape, then click and drag the green rotation handle to rotate the shape. Delete or modify the shape. Right-click on the shape to access options to delete, duplicate, or modify the shape's properties. You can group multiple shapes together by selecting them, hold down the Control key while clicking on each shape, and then right-clicking to choose Group. Remember that Excel shapes are graphical objects and can be useful for adding visual elements to your worksheets. They can also be used in combination with charts and other Excel features to create more engaging and informative spreadsheets.